Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience. In this video, we are going to talk about three major IT exams for freshers. SEBI IT, NABARD IT and IBPS SOIT exams. You should know three things. First, exam pattern, then the subjects that you have to study, the subjects that are common in all the three exams and that are different, and the syllabus of all the three exams. So first of all, we'll be talking about the exam pattern. In IBPS SOIT, in prelims, you have three subjects. Prelims is only qualifying. There is quant, reasoning and English. And in mains, you have only professional knowledge, which is MCQ based. So you have to study four subjects here. In NABARD IT, you have 8 subjects in prelims and then 2 subjects in mains. The 8 subjects in prelims have quant, reasoning, English, computer decision making, general awareness, economic social issues, agriculture, rural development. Out of these, the merit sections are general awareness, economic social issues and ARD. The other 5 subjects are qualifying. In mains, you have descriptive English, paper 1, which has comprehension, précis and essay. And paper 2 is your IT paper, stream specific, which has objective questions and descriptive questions. Then coming to SEBI IT, in phase 1, you have 2 papers. Paper 1 is quant, reasoning, English, GA. Paper 2 is your IT subject. And then in phase 2, you have again 2 papers. Paper 1 is descriptive English, where you have comprehension, précis and essay. And paper 2 is your IT paper, which is coding test. So if we move to common subjects that you have to prepare for all the 3 exams, one is quantitative aptitude, another is reasoning, third is English, and then your IT subject. The syllabus of IT subject may vary slightly in NABARD IT and SEBI IT, but almost 50-60% of the topics are common and the preparation of basics is common for IT subject. So you have to be thoroughly prepared with all these areas, and I will advise you that if you are targeting all these 3 exams in 2025, then start your preparation with these areas. For the initial 2 to 3 months, you can give your time entirely to the preparation of quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English and your IT subjects. Along with this, if you are also targeting SEBI IT and coding is not something which you know as of now, then you can give some time to coding on a daily basis. You can spend 2 hours daily for understanding the basics of coding for your coding practice. This is the syllabus of IT subject in NABARD IT and SEBI IT. As IBPS SOIT syllabus is not defined, so you can just take a comprehensive version of these 2 syllabus and prepare for IBPS SOIT. Usually the syllabus of SOIT is similar to NABARD IT. So here, this is NABARD IT and this is the syllabus of SEBI IT. Pause the screen here and see the overlap. Understand what all you have to prepare. Your programming concepts over here, Java, C, C++, is also being covered in your coding practice. So see the overlap. You will find many topics overlapping in your NABARD IT and SEBI IT syllabus. So this is the area that you should start your preparation with. Then if we move to different subjects in the 3 exams, in NABARD IT, you have to study GA, General Awareness for phase 1, and this is merit section. Then ERD, Agriculture Rural Development, Economic Social Issues. These 3 are merit sections in phase 1. So you have to focus on this in order to prepare for NABARD IT. And then you have computer decision making. These are just qualifying sections in phase 1 of NABARD IT. Then you have descriptive English present in mains in NABARD IT. And along with IT objective, you have IT descriptive in mains or phase 2. Similarly, if you look at SEBI IT, GA is present in SEBI IT as well in phase 1 paper 1, which is only qualifying. Then you don't have to prepare for ARD, ESI, computer decision making. This is not present in SEBI IT. Descriptive English is common in SEBI IT and NABARD IT. And in place of IT descriptive, in SEBI IT you have coding. That is why I have suggested you to give 2 hours to coding on a regular basis, 2 to 3 hours to your IT subject, and 2 to 3 hours to your quant, reasoning or English preparation as of now. Once you have covered some portion in the initial 2-3 months, then you can also include in your studies GA, bit of ARD and ESI. In this way, you can go about your preparation for NABARD IT, SEBI IT and IBPS SOIT exam. Here, if you have any doubts, any queries related to preparation of any of these exams or all these exams together, you can write them down in the comment below. Also, if you need preparation material and guidance to prepare for these exams, you can check out our IT combo course. Our IT combo course includes the preparation of SEBI IT, NABARD IT and IBPS SOIT. So the single course will help you in the preparation of all these 3 exams together. You can check out the content, mock test, the material which is present in all these courses, and accordingly strategize your preparation, plan your future ahead. That's all for now. Enroll with iExamBee and make your preparation 50% faster. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.